Wanna watch or or you gonna join in? Are you?
I don't know. It's very confusing. I see some Tennos on the hill. I'm gonna knock him down.
Do it.
I make whatever.
Get him.
He's hiding behind his Dino mech back.
Is this South Lanes? Hip Sammy guessing South Lanes.
Yes, South Lanes, as it always is. I killed it, Dino. Oh my god, I'm bugged with the Dino left. What the hell?
Oh no. You're dead. Oh shit, Maia. Mia! There's like two little Mias on the Alright, bet. What the fuck?
Yeah, I died.
Diablo! Oh, Diablo's helping me.
Wait, I see it.
Oh, Diablo's helping me. I'm low on stam too.
Come here.
Oh, I see you.
I killed one.
Good.
Nice.
I got him with another time. Oh. I'm guessing this is just weird ass paying, but I could have seen the Maia running. So I guess it wasn't them and they used his admin powers to escape.
Little pigs.
Kill it.
I killed it. I killed our child.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Run.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, I'm gonna heal up my stamina. Oh, I think I hear a Maia in your.
Wait.
Oh, they're fighting.
Get the Maia. Where's the Maia? There it is.
Oh, I think you can still stun Diablo.
You can. I don't want to get hit by the Diablo.
Yep, me neither.
Roll out.
Shredded.
Roll out. Roll out. We didn't do anything.
Shredded. Bro got fucking mauled, and I'm still on yellow, I think. Yeah, I am.
2 Diablos.
Oh my gosh. You gotta be shitting me.
We can't kill
Oh,
that.
who joined? Sandwich, hello!
Sandwich, you should totally go Tenno with us. Or Stego or Diablo. Or Maia.
We're killing some Maias.
I'm not
Maia
going
hunting.
Maia. I'm gonna go Diablo.
Oh no!
We're killing some Maias.
Alright!
I'm
So I'm just
zooming.
gonna stun lock the Maias.
Oh, yes. I mean, you can run away from the Diablos, though. I'm gonna turn on my camera. I don't know if it's dark or not, but just in case, you know.
Bye bye, Maia Vision.
Look, Samus, you missed out on a lot. We killed like 3 Maias.
The admin made it day. The admin made it day.
Why does the admin do that? It's zooming.
Yeah.
I don't know.
The fuck?
People just
I
can't
want
handle
my
nighttime.
nocturnal.
People can't handle nighttime.
I'll probably
yeah.
do a full speed. Nah.
The
Yeah.
Diablos must be
I'll
so
go.
pissed.
I'll go conch.
Yeah.
I'll go
Yeah,
conch. Tactile
alright.
nocturnal.
At the same time, it's like good for us because Dialos, you know? Like they're stronger at night, so I guess it's somewhat good.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of mice, and they're all with the Stegos.
Let's not
And
go for
Diablos.
those Maias. We're
Aww.
all the way over there.
Wait, there's Maias all the way there.
Wait, I hear Maias at Highlands.
You know, they just go high.
Oh, I really want to.
Well, there's-
Is nobody
they're
at
running
south?
towards Highlands. They're running. There's a mega mix pack.
Is nobody
south,
south?
so don't go south.
Oh,
Wait.
there's two Maias
How
fighting.
bad is?
Oh, wait, the Maya's fighting a mix pack. Dialos and Carnos should
Yeah.
help the Maya.
Sure.
No, the Chrono's not with me. He's trying to kill the Dialos too.
We got the snowflake one really well. Double kick for sure.
West Rail Diabla.
We're not safe.
I think I should just go for photo. Let me just spawn in west. Let me just
Look at all
spawn
these.
west.
Look at all these Mayas. Oh, free calories.
Let me.
Oh, they're going for us. No?
No, they're
Wait, I can 3v1 Maias. I know it, I can.
Oh, this is the perfect.
Uh-oh. Are they?
Alright, guys. Wait a minute. Spawning.
Behind you. What's that? What's that?
I'm a drone.
I'm
Oh,
already.
shit. I have 460 ping. What the fuck? What's with my ping? Why is it so high? I have 500 ping. This is not normal, guys. What the hell? Why is my ping 300?
Yeah, oh no, that's not you.
My ping is 300. What the? Why is it 300? It's not going down. Okay, it's at 200 now, but
What's
it's not going down.
It's literally me.
Stagger, move! Run!
What? Gosh.
Taco died.
Yeah. Just paramount stagger. Oh my god.
Oh wow, my ping is so bad.
Jesus
300
Christ.
ping.
Going as Senno again. You know what? Okay, so how many Maias have we killed? Her like 2 Maias. Okay, so 16 Maias. Okay, 16 Maias.
Look at that. Why am I at 200?
Okay, I'm spawning Highlands. Let's scout that place, okay?
Why the hell is my ping so high? I'm at 270 ping.
Oh, that's the aisle for you. Highlands adjacent.
Yeah, they have a shitty stagger window.
Alright, do I go west road to help you?
I'm leading one of their Mayas away from the... Yeah, they're misdirecting.
Do you need help? Do you need help? I'm gonna scout soon.
I'm rubber banding a lot. I am not doing this. Chicago?
They got it in.
Look at it in Chicago. Wait, what's your ping, Taco?
95.
What the hell? Chicago is in fucking USA. No wonder. But I have such a bad ping. I have 200 ping. Remember him seeing the video with that dude who had 100 ping? And how delayed he was? How delayed will I be?
Yeah.
I got Conjo. I see Maia, a weird colored looking Maia. I see 1, 2, 3.
They killed their own
oh,
Maia!
second, no, 2. I saw it. I saw it. I saw that.
Oh, see Maya.
I'm coming, Ipsy. I'm over here. Where are you? I see you.
I think it's still
He
alive.
has to kill. It's running from me. Pussy.
Dude, I'm killing it.
It's already
me.
dead. Oh my god, thank goodness that's you. I am on... red.
Is there a dipshit? I could just make.
Oh, there's a Maia. I see a Maia.
Oh, I hear a Maya
Another
really
Maya.
close by.
There's a Maia like right to the left of me. I see you, Maia.
Maya ran away, so I guess.
Yeah, the Trudons want to touch me.
Maya is running to.
Oh, the Trudons fighting the Maias right now.
Maias? Is there a lot of Maias?
Just one Maia. Hey, where are you, Taco?
I'm like going towards Maias.
I'll go feed at the old one over here.
Oh, I see him, see him, yeah, see him.
Rubber band, oh no.
See, the time to bully me.
Yeah, I have 111 things and 9.
Okay,
And 11.
Okay, bye, sounds good. Oh, 4. There's 4 miles more, that's 5.
Yeah, no, buddy. Yeah, no.
Sure. I'm down.
You're gonna get stomped. You're gonna get curb stomped.
What if I just make them hit each other?
Either way.
If not if they waste their stamina on stomps.
There's a thing called alt kicking and they waste 0 stamina. Also, if they get a stun on you, then you're screwed probably.
They're just
Maya.
each other. Wait, some of them are not even doing anything.
Mai's going in the water. Hell yeah.
Some of them are not even doing ground.
I killed a Maya.
Good.
Honestly, Herrera might be the most fun carnival to play.
Escape into bushes.
Oh, there's a Maya here.
Okay.
There's 2 Mayas.
No! he's like, oh no, this is a bit funny. I got that on clip.
Like, along
That's
the way, I said,
hilarious.
"Mama," and then hit him.
Did he say mama?
Yeah, he said
Mama! Remember, get your bully back here.
I don't know why it's hit him. I was lucky with the
He's like Herrera,
Oh, there's a
not
Mia.
like. Where? Mia, where? Maya, where's the Maya?
You're over
That shot over there.
Over there.
Okay. Other there's, oh yeah, I see the Maya. There's also, by the way, a Herrera in the tree.
Yeah, right. I want to command arson right now.
I just made a Maya fall off a cliff and die. I didn't even have to do much of the killing.
Okay. Oh, wrong Diablo! We killed so many things. Small stego. Oh, hell yeah. I got knocked over. I'm fine. He's doing no damage to me. I'll get out. Taco! Don't body block me, please! Diablo's one. I'm on red again. Yeah. I don't think you should go west. There's nothing. Whatever. Oh. Tenno, what were you doing, Taco?
Tenno, what were you doing, Taco?
What were you doing?
Nice job, bro. I don't know. I was trying to get the baby.
Just don't. If you see me getting out, maybe you also could get out, you know?
How the fuck did that dial take so many hits to kill? What the hell?
Alright, Hipsy, where are you? I'm gonna come towards you.
Highland, still at Highlands.
I'm still at red. I'm at orange. I'm gonna go get some food.
Oh my
Maias.
god, look at this. Oh yeah,
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
dude, that Diablo looks like a Nerf gun. Also, Dino grabbed one of the
There's
Diablos.
Mias.
So you tell me that you can't cross by dam.
You
No,
can't
we
slide
can't.
down.
Oh, what the hell? That's a fucking heat map of the Diablo. It's a heat map of the Diablo.
Bro,
Oh,
what?
shit.
What
Oh,
the?
you hit me.
Well, that guy's bigger than us.
But yeah, it's Maya.
No, like this Juvie.
Oh, but then makes me anything. Then makes me Oh, Diablo. Yeah, they probably mixed back.
Dead. Alright. Tenno!
Diablo!
Yeah, I'm screwed. I'm so screwed. I'm fine. I'm gonna go heal again.
I'm ass right again. I'm gonna ask right.
How does that knock me down? What? Dino coming in, Dino coming in.
Yeah, I'm out. Nah. I'm gonna go drink by a well.
Oh shit, there's a Tito right
Mass
there.
riding. Mass riding into you. Oh, there's a lot of. Oh wait. Oh, the big ball. There's a big rock. Pink ball.
I saw there's 2 dinos. Oh, I can drink.
Titos are fighting.
Chasing after Diablo. Oh. What? Help?
What the fuck?
That's a tryhard.
Oh yeah, Dino.
That's a fucking tryhard.
Nope, got it, a Dino. There's like 5 dinos in that. Like, what the hell?
That Diablo is an insane tryhard and a mixed backer.
That was
Yeah, I'm still gonna get food first so I can heal faster.
What is fun at the Highlands like? Is it Diablo still when you can get the Diablo? Okay.
Run.
getting him really well. You know,
Yeah, he's failed.
I'm like on last screen red because somehow can knock it off. Tip tail hits.
Desync.
He's really low though. I heard that F call. Sounds like a stego.